Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how message moves from producer to consumer by executing the Kafka application. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss out any of our updates and latest videos. Bonus tip: are you in a hurry to learn Kafka? Well, I have good news for all who want to understand the fundamentals of Kafka. Check out the Udemy course link in description and you can access all Kafka training videos in just one click. Open Kafka project in Eclipse IDE. To make it work, most important point to remember is to pass the message from producer to consumer. The topic name in producer and consumer should be same. In listener, we have Kafka topic, and in producer, we have my topic. So let's update the producer with Kafka topic as the topic. Let's run the commands now mentioned in our second video of the series. You can find the commands in description of this video. Go to Kafka folder and open command prompt by entering cmd. To start the zookeeper, run the zookeeper command first as shown here. Paste the command and hit enter. Go to Kafka folder and open another command prompt by entering cmd. To start the Kafka server, run Kafka server command as shown here. Paste the command and hit enter. Go to Eclipse and run the Spring Boot project now. Right click on the project, run as Java application. You can see it shows the consumer config values in the console. If you scroll and see further, it shows we have subscribed to topic, Kafka topic. Open Postman tool now, or you can also use a browser. Make a GET request with URL localhost /80/rest/API/producer message equal to hello world. Click on send. Oops, we got internal server error. Let's go to Eclipse to see what went wrong. Okay, I forgot to auto-wire the Kafka template. Let's add it and save. Now DevTools will restart the application. Hit the send button in the Postman tool again. And it says message sent successfully to topic. Go back to Eclipse. And here also we got message received, hello world. Hence the message is sent by producer and received by consumer using Kafka. So, we have successfully created and executed our Kafka application. That's it for this series. But if you want more videos on Kafka, let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you with the requested video soon. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.